So the BWS-80 HD is so easy to use, even my 86-year-old grandmother can use it. Hey, Bubby, come here. Wasn't that easy?
Very easy.
So that was our BWS-80 HD wire stripping machine. As you can see, it's easy to use, it's heavy duty, it's professional, it's everything that you could dream of and more if you're looking to strip scrap wire. Check it out on our website, copper-wire-stripper.com. You can find all the details and specifications listed on there. Like our Facebook page, join our Google Hangouts, give me a call. I'm more than happy to hear from you. 866-901-2278. If you have any questions, love to answer them. I appreciate you watching this video. Feel free to like it on YouTube too. My name's Joe Williams with Bluedog Wire Strippers, and thank you very much.